Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I have done a Mejuri unboxing, a Mejuri jewelry haul. I'm so excited to be back with another Mejuri video. I haven't posted one since January, which is a while for me because I typically do some sort of like Mejuri haul or Mejuri video once a month, but honestly, this year has like gotten away from me. We just got a new puppy and I have just been all over the place, but I am so excited to be bringing y'all a Mejuri spring jewelry haul. I think there's maybe 6 to 8 pieces in this box. I'm not totally sure. It's gonna be a surprise for all of us. But if you are new here, I do have a Mejuri discount code, which you can use on your first purchase from Mejuri. So I'll have that linked in the description box. Also, I will have a blog post with everything from this video linked there. And then you can also find everything in the description box. We're gonna go ahead and jump on in. I am so excited. Obviously, if you've been around on my channel for any amount of time, you know Mejuri is like my ride or die brand. I wear so much Mejuri. It's honestly ridiculous at this point how much Mejuri I wear, but we should go ahead and just get into it. I think I'm actually gonna start with the pieces that I'm wearing because I have switched up my necklaces and my bracelets the slightest bit. All right, bringing you guys in so that you can see everything a little bit closer. So this earring stack has changed a couple times, not super frequently, but currently I've got on the Pave Diamond Bold Medium hoops, the Pave Diamond Bold Small hoops, and then these are the Pave Diamond Pearl Huggy earrings. And if you could not guess, I am a big fan of a lot of the Mejuri diamond pieces. I just feel like they hold up super well. And these two, I hardly ever take out. I do take out my big earrings at night, but I do sleep in my other earrings. So they're super comfortable to sleep in because they don't have a post in the back. They're just the hoop that goes all the way around, and I find myself wearing these specifically in the middle the most of all of my earrings. Also, I'll have a blog post in the description box with my full Mejuri collection that I try to update periodically as I get new pieces. That way, if there's anything that you see that I have on, you can just refer to that blog post. I also have them categorized as like my favorites and then the rest of my collection. So if that's helpful as well, that will be in the description box. So for my necklaces, I've got on the chain charm necklace. I think this is the paperclip chain charm, and it's the exact same concept as this one. This is the 16-inch, and I've had this one for a really long time now, and I used to wear the charms on this one, but since I recently got the 18-inch Rolo chain, I have decided to switch the charms onto this necklace and wear the paperclip chain charm as just a regular layering piece. I love these thicker chains from Mejuri. I know they're known for a lot of their daintier pieces, but I adore their more like bold pieces. So this is the Rolo chain. Again, you can attach, I think, up to 3 charms. Anything more than that, I feel like it gets a little bit crowded, but I love the rule of 3. You could also do 1 single charm. So I've got on the letter pendant with the Pave diamonds, and then this is the pearl charm. And then this bail tag I don't think is actually available anymore. If it is, I'll have it linked, but this is my stack for my necklaces. For my bracelets, I've got on the paperclip chain charm bracelet in the 6-inch with the Pave diamond star charm, and then I've got on the Rolo charm bracelet as well, and this one is also in the 6-inch. Then I've got on the diamond bar bracelet. I think this is in the 6-inch as well. Whatever the smallest size is what I have on. And then I have on the serpentine chain bracelet as well, and this one is also in the 6-inch. For my rings, I've got on my engagement ring, obviously, my wedding band, and then this is the beam open ring stacker with the Pave diamonds. There's also a version of it with no diamonds, and I think you can get them as a set or buy them individually. And then over here, I've got on the Pave diamond slim signet ring, which is one of my newer rings, and it's so pretty. And then this is the duo ring. This is maybe one of my oldest pieces from Mejuri, and I still wear it almost every single day. I love this ring so much. And then this is fairly new to me as well. This is the dot ring, and this has become one of my favorites. These are all of my rings, all my jewelry. I have a lot on, but I am definitely like a jewelry maximalist. So let's get into the new stuff because obviously that's what most of you guys are here for. I just like to run through everything I'm wearing because I always get questions about what jewelry do you have on? This is how the box arrives. So if you've never ordered from Mejuri before, you typically will have to sign for the package, which is great because then someone can't take it from your doorstep. Inside of the box, we have the dust bags. The dust bag here says Mejuri on it, and every single order comes with one of these dust bags. Even if you get one piece, you still get the dust bag. And this is the box. So it's Mejuri embossed. The logo's on the front here, and it is a magnetic box. These are actually really convenient to have if you travel. I like to put a lot of my jewelry in the dust bag pouches and then put them in these boxes sometimes to travel if you don't have a travel jewelry case. Okay, so this is our first piece, and I'm actually so dead. This is one of their pet tags. So we have one for Riley, and this is the one that we got for Pierre. It's really cute. I guess I can't show you the actual tag because it has my phone number on it, but it's this gold tag, and on the other side it says his name and my phone number. But how cute is this? So I actually have to get Pierre a collar because he's so tiny that we just use a harness on him, because I'm telling you, like, he's a tiny wiener dog. I think he's like maybe 4 pounds now. He's almost 12 weeks, and he's so sweet. So I got him the little heart because I thought that would just match his personality. We have one for Riley, so now Pierre gets his own. Inside of this dust bag, we have 2 boxes. Inside of this first box here, we've got the dust bags and a cleaning cloth. If you guys are new to Mejuri, do not throw this away. This is a very handy thing to have to polish up your jewelry, to shine your jewelry, especially if you have the vermeil pieces. You'll definitely want to hold on to this to polish it. Inside of the dust bag here, we've got, I honestly don't even know what's in this. Ooh, pearl pieces. I am so in love with all of Mejuri's pearl like pieces right now. Look how gorgeous that is. So that's gonna dangle below the earlobe. Oh, so pretty. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pop these in because they're so gorgeous. So what's great about these actually is that you can wear it by itself as just a pearl earring like that, or you can put the drop in as well. So you put the stud in like that, and then this will go on the back. Let's see if I can do this like that. Oh, pretty. And then you'll just pop the back in to hold it in place. How cool are these? Oh, I love those so much. So that is the first piece. Inside of the next dust bag, we've got some more pearl pieces. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, I love the gold drop on them. These ones are vermeil. So I'll just go ahead and pop this one out here. Oh, that is so pretty. I honestly love that this one has the pearl drop and then this one has the gold drop. I feel like that's so pretty. Also, it's like dainty enough where you could wear this on your second piercing and wear like a thin hoop. I think that would be really pretty. But if you only have one piercing, it's such a statement just by itself. Our next box here has the same thing, little cloth, a dust bag, and 2 rings. But I'm gonna open up the dust bag first. I think we got some more pearl earrings. This is like one very large pearl earring haul. So these are the pearl earrings, and as you can see, there's like one big pearl and a really thin gold hoop. So all very different styles. I'm so excited about all of them. So I think what I'm gonna do is take out these and pop in my Pave medium hoops again, and we're just gonna see what this looks like. This might be a really bad idea, but I just want to try out this specific stack. So taking out the middle earring and then putting in the new pearl one, and we're just gonna see if this looks good. It might be too, oh, that's kind of fun actually. That is so bold though. Like, I think that's a lot bigger of a pearl than I even realized. I feel like when you hold up jewelry, you're like, oh, that's not super big, but then you put it next to your ear and you're like, oh, that's actually like a really big hoop. So I'm gonna actually put this one back in here and try it on like the main piercing. Okay, that is so cute. I love it with the other drop pearl earring. I feel like that is such an elegant style. So pretty. I love too the contrast of how thick and bold this pearl is and then how dainty the actual hoop is. I just feel like that is so, so pretty. That is a really, really fun stack. I love that so much. Oh, gorgeous. Now we have 2 rings, and I probably wear, actually I was gonna say I wear like rings the most, but honestly I wear kind of everything the most, so to say I wear rings the most would be not accurate, but I probably switch up my rings the most and do like a different combination as far as what my ring stacks are. I change them every single day. So the first ring that I got is this Pave diamond cross ring. I don't actually know what the exact name is. I'll link it down below, of course, and in the blog post, but it's Pave diamonds, and then also it crosses along the back with a regular 14 karat gold band. And what I love about their diamond and gold pieces is that you can shower in them, you can sweat in them, you can technically wear them to go swimming. I do not take off my jewelry for any reason. I work out in like almost all of this. The only thing that I do not work out in are my rings, just because I don't like the feeling of my rings on whenever I'm sleeping or working out. But I shower in all my bracelets, I shower in my necklaces, I shower in all my earrings except for the vermeil pieces. And most of the time I sleep in all of this as well, except for the big hoops. So I'm so lazy with my jewelry, and that's why I just love the Mejuri 14 karat gold pieces, because they hold up so incredibly well. And also I don't like high maintenance jewelry, so I put it on, I keep it on, and that is just how I wear jewelry. I know some people like can't sleep in jewelry at all. They take it off every single night. I feel like I wear so much of it that I'm like, it's not coming off. Once it's on, it's on. We actually just had a massage for my husband's birthday. We did like a couples massage, and that was the first time that I had taken all my jewelry off in so long, and it was such a process. I was like, I can't do this all the time, gotta just leave it all on. So that is one of the reasons why I just love their 14 karat gold pieces, that they're just super low maintenance. The other reason obviously is that they just hold up super, super well. So this ring is kind of like my others. I won't have to take it on and off, and it's so pretty. So this is the ring, and it is so pretty. I honestly love it on my pointer finger. I feel like this is a new take on the duo ring. So the duo ring is obviously two bands that are interlocked together and they can kind of move around, whereas this one stays put. So depending on your preference, or if you want something with diamonds on it, this is a really beautiful, dainty option, but still more bold than a really thin, just regular band. And then the other ring that I got is this one here. It's open, and it has Pave diamonds along the edges of the band. And I thought this one would be really pretty for my middle finger. Just kind of switch up the duo ring. I wear the duo ring almost every single day. I don't have like a ton of options for my middle finger. I don't know why I always pick out rings for my pointer finger. That is just like my number one priority, I guess, when I'm picking out sizes, is like going for my pointer finger, which is a size 5, but my middle finger is kind of like a 5.5, so sometimes depending on how thick the ring is, it won't fit on my middle finger. Because this one is an open style, it actually fits perfectly. So if you have a ring size that's kind of like right between two sizes, I know sometimes Mejuri doesn't carry half sizes, picking out one of these kind of open bands like this, or like this ring where it's open, gives you a little bit more flexibility with like that half size bigger. So this one I picked out specifically for my middle finger. I knew it would flex a little bit because it is open, and it fits perfectly. So I am very, very happy with this ring. I just love how bold it is too. And this is a 14 karat gold style. So again, gonna hold up super well. Won't have to take it off to wash my hands or anything like that. Oh, I love all their jewelry. And then the last piece is this new charm. So this is an emerald charm, and I feel like this would be so beautiful on either the bracelet, which I'm kind of feeling like the bracelet is where it might end up, but I'll show you guys on the necklace so that you can see it a little bit better. But I feel like that'd be really cute as the bracelet charm. I love that pop of color. So this is the new charm, and I love the pop of color. I think it comes in 4 different gemstones. I went with the emerald green because I just feel like the green is such a vibe. I love this. It also comes like the most beautiful light purple, but I don't know, I was feeling the green. I think I'm gonna try it on the bracelet though, because I feel like that would be really, really pretty as well. So this is it on the bracelet here, and I really like it on the bracelet. And this actually just made me think about how growing up I had a charm bracelet, and whenever I would travel, especially to Disney World, I would get like a Disney charm and like put on my charm bracelet. So leave me a comment down below if you had a charm bracelet growing up or if you even have one now. I just love the charm line from Mejuri because I feel like it just lets you customize things a little bit further and make it feel more like you. Like this stack to me, it just feels like me. Like I got to put this together, I got to pick out the charms for it, and this exact combination is something that I was just like really excited about. And I feel like it just makes it more unique because whenever people ask me like, oh, where'd you get your necklace from? I'm like, oh, it's from Mejuri, but like I picked out every individual piece. So I feel like that's what I really love about their charm line, is that you can kind of customize and build it out how you want it. So I love this though on the bracelet. I also could put it on the Rolo chain and have one charm on each of the different bracelets. This is what it looks like on the bracelet by itself. And you can stack more than one, obviously. I just love the green so much, it's so pretty. But those are all of the new pieces that I got from Mejuri, all the new arrivals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, everything will be linked down below in the description box, and be sure to use my 10% off discount if you want to save some money on your order. If you like this video though, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was from this haul, and also just let the brand know that you find these videos helpful. That would mean so much to me. If you happen to be new here on my channel and you want to stick around for some more Mejuri videos, I actually have an entire playlist of all Mejuri unboxings, try-ons, combinations, stacking videos, all that good stuff. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.